Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel! We are in the Heritage Village, Asir Corner. Oh. See, this is the restaurant below. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my vlog. So, today, nandito tayo ngayon sa Heritage Village. Ito ang isa sa mga prominent na tourist attractions dito sa Eastern region, specifically in Dammam. Ano na siya? Ano na siya? May mga bintana, oh. Ang mga rooms man, eh. Ako, hindi ka diguro ka, ano ay. Kapabuko, oh. Pwede mo ma-experience. Gusto mo experience ang ano, ang Sea View Cafe. You should not miss this place, especially if you like museums. And this place features traditional architectures, cultural exhibits, and historical artifacts. Kaya napaka-informative at educational, especially sa mga bata. So, continue watching until the end. Huh?
All the money.
Yeah, see? The money are here, oh. These are the money of Saudi Arabia, see?
There's all the money.
Oh, they have also stamps. They have stamps. And they write the letters.
5,000.
See their pots, oh? They cook here. They use this to cook. Telephones, radio, and spoon and fork. See? Yeah, let's go there.
I want to see animal.
There, oh. They have bears.
Look at the cheetah. Look at the bear.
Oh, wow. Mummified animals. Falcons, chicken. Oh, they have flamingo, owls, all types of birds.
This is the Saudi Arabia.
Yeah, this is Saudi Arabia. These are the buildings, design of buildings in the East Coast. While this is the Najid. Yeah, this is their design. And in Makkah and Al-Madinah, these are the designs. Yeah. And even the Asir region. Hala, you're not allowed there. Camera, of course. Don't go there, ha? It's not allowed. Ginapabayaan na nila, kabataan nila. Mga paintings, oh. Ginasell man nila. Carpets. Dresses. And jewelries. Many jewelries. Abaya. And for men. And slippers.
Mommy, oh, there's toys. Mommy,
For kids.
come here.
Which toys? See?
Come here. There, okay, come on.
Ah, yeah. This modern one. Ah, mga ano to, tindahan na to, ya.
Pero mga go yard, hindi ko sure kung
Mga belt to. Thank you po kung umabot kayo sa part ng video na to. At kung gusto nyo pang manood ng mga ganitong klaseng video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks! That's all for now. Thank you for watching.